Hi, this is Erika Lindstrom, and I help you start living a really good life on your terms. Today we will talk about changes and why it's so difficult to create those sustainable changes that we all want. So, first of all, do you believe that you can change your outcome in life with your thoughts? All the sportsmen do. If you also do, you need to listen to this. Every morning when you wake up, your brain will start remembering things that has happened in your life, and that creates some emotions in you, which also creates stress hormones that goes right up to your brain, and you start thinking in the old patterns like you always do, and that is actually a survival thing. So it's very good for us in one way, but it makes it really, really difficult to do something different in your life, because your body will always create these patterns up to your brain, which tells you, go back to the familiar, go back to the familiar. This is unknown. I don't want to make changes. I don't know what the outcome will be from that. So how can you stop that? Well, you need to take control over your brain and stop your thoughts. Yeah, I know that is impossible. It really is. So what you need to do is that you will start thinking different. Because when you think something and you can set yourself in the feeling of it, it's called visualization, and that is a really difficult word for me as I'm Swedish. But when you start to imagine and fantasize on the outcome, for example, if I fantasize about the big paycheck, and that paycheck is not only money, I can feel the freedom I could get with that paycheck. I could buy the things that I've dreamed of for so long, and it will create security in my life. I will feel the freedom of doing whatever I want. I could give some money away and make people happy, and I can see their smiles in my fantasy. Now I start to feel really good in my body. And the thing is, why this works, is that the body and mind does not know the difference between imagination or the real. So when I fantasize and imagine like this creates some good hormones and good pathways in my brain. So I will actually start doing things that will put me towards my goals. So how can you start meditate in a really good way so you can take control over your brain? Well, it's like training a dog almost. You need to discipline your own brain and body. And how to do that? It depends a little bit on who you are, but a very good advice to start with is just to sit down, be quiet, close your eyes. And for some people it works with a candle light and they just watch the flame. For me it's not a good idea because I'm too curious, so I start looking around and start thinking about my environment if I have my eyes open. So for me, I listen to an app, and this is really silly, but I have this sound at the moment which I like, and that's from an airliner. The app I use is called Rain Rain, and it's just a consistent sound of an engine. So I put my earphones on, I close my eyes, I sit in comfortable clothes, I keep myself warm and comfy. Sometimes I lay down, but then I need to be I can't be tired because then I fall asleep, and I don't want to fall asleep. I just want to be very relaxed. So what I do now, I sit and I concentrate on this consistent consistent sound. And I try to be as present as I can. And present is the key word here. Because your brain will still work, but if I am present on what I'm hearing, and every time a thought comes by like this, I imagine it like a balloon, and I just take a needle and I smash it, and it disappears. That is how I do it in my mind. So I just concentrate on the sound and be as present as I want to, as I can be. And also I try to breathe quite deep and into my stomach without hyperventilating. And to be more present, I could be aware of me breathing in and when I'm breathing out. And that is also being present. So this is how I do it. You can experiment on what will work for you, but be aware that your body will make a fight with you in the beginning, because it doesn't want to be there. It wants to go back to the old patterns. It doesn't want to, your brain doesn't want to stop think, because it's designed to think all the time. But if you manage to just be 100% present at the moment and get this feeling, I can't explain it, but you will maybe feel very light, or you stop feel your hands and feet and body on the layers under you. You're not aware of your hands and feet anymore. That is a really good sign of you go into this meditation state. And what is the benefit of that? Well, it's like a computer. You push the reset button, and then you clear out the old damaged virus softwares from your computer, and you start installing new, comfortable, good patterns in your brain again. And that is the big benefit of meditating every day. So, what has this done for me? For example, I feel much more centered. That means that I'm not as angry anymore when my children are not cooperating with me, or on work I don't get upset anymore. I don't get upset if I don't find the parking space, or the traffic is bad, or all those things in life. I get so much comfortable and happy. Also, I have gained huge success on my business, because now I can see things from another direction, and that has made my business grow very huge. If you don't know what I do, I have this online business where I earn money from the internet. And if you want to know more about that, I will put the link under this video. And actually let me tell you, I will put a link where you can get a free video series which I got started with. And that will teach you what opportunities there is online. And it will cost you nothing. Okay? So, what will you do today? As soon as you can in the morning, just sit down and pretend your body is like your dog, and you discipline it and say, sit down, shut your eyes, and listen to a consistent sound, something you like. It could be really soft music, or in my case, it's an airliner sound. And you meditate for 15 minutes a day, every day, because this will take a while, because Your body will always try to go back to your old patterns. And if you do this, I promise you that you will install some really, really good software in your brain, and things will start happening that you will get amazed of the outcome, okay? And if you have dreams, if you have goals, if you have something that you really want, start visualize about them. Dream and fantasize the feeling of it. How does it feel if it already has happened? And you will see very soon it will be a realization in your life. Hope this helps, and please comment on this video, subscribe if you want to have more content from me, and share it if you have someone you really care about. Talk to you later. Bye bye.